Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping by single variant quantity for specific product tags in Shopify. Here we can see that the wooden spin product is tagged with the No Free Shipping tag. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the single variant quantity condition. So first, we'll search for single variant quantity in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Now you'll see two product selection options. Any products. If you select any products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when products matching the selected conditions are in the cart. After selecting this option, you can filter products by product, product tags, or collections. Now we select selected products, and here we choose product tags and enter tag Hide Free Shipping. When the Hide Free Shipping product is in the cart, this rule will be applied. Less than, the rule will trigger when the single variant quantity is lower than the set quantity. More than, the rule will trigger when the single variant quantity is higher than the set quantity. For this example, we choose more than and set 3. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when the Hide Free Shipping tagged product is in the cart, and any single variant quantity of that product is more than 3. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart contains multiple variants of the wooden spin product, but none of the single variant quantities are more than 3. Now let's add some beige variant and make more than 3 in the cart and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how to hide shipping by single variant quantity for specific product tags in Shopify. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!